1. Deep clean and sanitize surfaces. 2. Kills coronaviruses and other viruses 99.9. 3. Makes 544 spray bottles, 32 ounces, of sanitizer equals 12 cents per bottle. 4. Makes 136 gallons of powerful degreaser for mopping equals 48 cents per gallon. 5. Safe, permanent high pH continues to destroy viruses and bacteria after cleaning. 6. Safe to use on all interior surfaces. 7. No odor, no vox, non-toxic. 8. Safe for people and pets. 9. Free shipping in continental U.S. Simix Multi-Surface Cleaner, Degreaser, Sanitizer eliminates kitchen grease problems. 1. No more greasy, slippery floors. 2. No more foul odors or flies. 3. No more clogged lines. 4. No more grease trap cleanouts, snaking and expensive hydrojetting. Simix Multi-Surface Cleaner, Degreaser, Sanitizer can be used on all surfaces including 1. Grease traps. 2. Tile and vinyl flooring. 3. Ovens, hoods, makelines, countertops. 4. Glass and tabletops. 5. Carpets. 6. Restroom sinks, toilets, floors, walls and mirrors. 7. Laundry. Simix Multi-Surface Cleaner, Degreaser, Sanitizer sanitizes hard, non-porous surfaces and prevents the spread of bacteria, viruses and germs including 1. Staphylococcus aureus, staph. 2. Enterobacter aerogenes, enterobacter. 3. Escherichia coli, E. coli. 4. Salmonella. 5. Campylobacter jejuni. 6. Listeria. 7. Streptococcus pyogenes, strep. 8. Common cold and other viruses from the coronavirus family. 9. Influenza A2 and influenza B.